Now we're going to move on because the next bad habit we're looking at has to do with your eyes. Are you doing this right now? Well, here's how to stop.
Well, come on back. We're going to do a little eye exam.
I wear contact lenses, which are bifocals, and also progressive lenses, bifocals. If I'm in a restaurant and the lights are low, I can't read the menu. And so I'm squinting or I'm searching for my readers. And then I'm squinting.
Right.
And I get really bad tension headaches. So I'm not happy.
So let's go ahead and do your exam, and then I'm going to give you a solution which I think is going to fix your problem. We basically think you have a good, healthy eye. So now we want to try to solve some of your problems. And there's this new company called Superfocus. What they've come up with is a lens that adjusts to your vision. As you move this bar from one position to the other position, it actually squeezes the lens and it changes the focusing power. So this lens works just like your lens in your eye. So when I change this with this bar movement, all of a sudden...
Oh my gosh, this is crystal clear. I can read that little tiny print.
As you should be able to.
That was ophthalmologist Dr. Fishman and his patient Laura Lai, both of whom are here today. So thank you both for joining us. This is good stuff. So they're called the Superfocus glasses?
That's right. These are lenses. It's really a breakthrough technology. New in glasses is an adjustable lens, the first of its kind. What it lets you do is you can see in the distance, you can see street signs, you can see intermediate and near, just with the twist of a little button on top.
So that's pretty easy to do, and we actually have an animation if you want to walk us through what we're looking at here.
So what you're looking at is it's a two-lens system. The front lens is a fixed lens right there, and that lens actually is your distance focus. And what's really neat about this technology is you have this mobile, movable membrane right there, and it moves back and forth. It bulges out, just like your human lens would do in regular early vision. And when you move the bar, it changes that focus. It really brings that focus in. So it's really a neat new technology.
So you can change it yourself.
It's totally adjustable.
And the question is, Lorelai, you want to try these out?
Oh, I would love to.
All right.
Okay.
Superfocus glasses.
Superfocus
here
glasses.
they come.
Here we go.
I actually think they're kind of cool looking.
Okay.
Well, I love Harry Potter, so that'd be fine with me.
This is the distance mode that you're in right now.
Okay.
And when you want to read, go ahead and pick this. What
Okay.
you simply do is you basically take this top bar, you just shift it to the right.
Oh my gosh, it's crystal clear.
Yeah, it clears up right away.
So it went from being blurry, then you just move the bar, and then you can read.
Right, and what you can do is you can actually change any position you want. So if you have a computer screen, you can read the computer screen by putting it in the mid-distance. If you want to see in the super far distance for street signs, you put it in another one.
So someday, does this mean the whole idea of bifocals will hopefully no longer even exist?
Bifocals, you have to find that sweet spot. You're always moving your head. You're slouching, bad position. With these glasses, the whole thing is the sweet spot.
Well, I know Lorelai's happy.
I'm very
happy.
happy.
And you look great. Thank you so much. We hope that you enjoy the Superfocus glasses, Dr. Fishman.
Thank you.
Thanks for being here.